Good morning. It's our last day in this resort. It's called Grim Resort. And now I can finally show you guys a room tour because everything has been cleaned and cleared out. Why, hello there. Come into our hotel room. Here is our room. As you can probably notice, the best part about this room is the view. So let's go check it out. Also, I just realized there's a clip in my hair. I'm sorry about that. And look at the view. Because we're just 4 kilometers away from the airport, planes fly by here all the time, like really close. But thankfully their windows and doors seem to be sealed really nicely, so we don't really hear it at a very loud level. Here is the... Do I really need to show you the bed? Here's the bed. And oh, airplane! Refrigerator. And there's a microwave. Like, can you believe that there's a microwave? Would I recommend this resort to you guys? I think I would. Because actually the only complaint I have is that this specific room, at least, like some of the stuff seems to be on the older side, but it's completely functional. And as you can see, we're right next to the sea and the main highway. So it's really convenient. There's a Starbucks just under us. There's like cafes everywhere. There's also a convenience store on the right side, a Jeju Island gift shop. But now we have to catch the bus to go to the Jeju International Airport. We'll drop our bags off before heading to Osulloc. Yeah, that's our itinerary for today.
다음 정류장 NSS 제주 감사합니다. 한차입니다.
1 hour.
1 hour to where?
We're gonna eat lunch right away because we're freaking hungry.
One calamari cake and one calamari cake, right?
No.
Two cake?
No, this one? No, coffee.
뒤에 같은 거예요.
네, 그럼 이거 주세요.
이걸로 드릴까요?
네.
Okay.
How does it feel?
I feel so like cute in here. I don't know why, but I feel like
I really like that.
for the kanding tayo today.
We're finished now. We're just gonna head over to Innisfree Jeju House. Let's try the water lily. Smells good. How does it feel? Like Nivea? That sounds good. We didn't end up buying anything in Innisfree Jeju House because Maybe my memory's mistaken, but I think last year they still had makeup inside. But now it's only skincare, and also Innisfree completely rebranded. Like their whole branding, even like the layout of the store, the design of the products to their logo, everything has changed. Everything has changed. So now we're just gonna take photos before going to the Osulloc Tea Museum because we're gonna buy a lot of stuff, so we don't want to carry that around. Ne, sa sobra ka damo, ga-buffering siya.
Sige lang.
I'm not actually sure I found the love here. Oh, look at this, guys. Beautiful. Really hot, but beautiful. Now that we've digested a little bit and took lots of photos, we're gonna go to the Osulloc store and Tea Museum again. Yeah, it's time to buy souvenirs.
Oh no, bankrupt. I don't know if I should be happy or like sad. But it's for the people I love.
Oh.
You know, just a normal day. Shopping teas.
I'm so bankrupt right now. But like I don't know when else I'm gonna come back here, so I might as well buy it now because I regret it. I don't know, I make that face every time we have food.
Yeah. Joke lang.
We're gonna eat outside. 이거 뭐야? 그냥 말차 shake?
Blended.
Comes with ice cream and green tea waffle on top. Yeah. Oh. Oh. That's fun. Cream cheese?
몰라?
약간
향이 있거든.
cream cheese style. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little haul for you guys. Ta-da! First one. So I got myself some green tea powder because the green tea here is really like if you have to buy something, just one thing, I suggest you guys get the matcha or the green tea. And then I've never tried this. They have a new like cleansing bar soap. And it smells really good. Smell it. It's like, oof, it's so earthy. And then like this is my favorite thing from Osulloc, but it's freaking expensive. 40,000 won for 5 sachets. But like, I can't not buy this. Okay. Second bag.
Open
So this is the variety tea collection. We have 10 different flavors. Each of these small boxes have 4 tea packets in them. Last one. This is their tea blossom set. Actually, this one is also in that other bag, but I like it. I've already tried this one. It's one of their signatures, the tangerine tea. Since Jeju is really well known for their tangerines, so my family and I will get to enjoy this for the next year. I bought a lot because last time I regretted not buying enough because it is quite expensive here, but I think it's worth it. Like I really recommend you guys to buy some. After this, we're just gonna finish eating our desserts and everything, and then we're gonna slowly but surely head over back to the airport to get our luggage and meet with Annie. You guys will see her later, so. Did you wait for a long time?
No, I just came out and then I text my mom.
Oh, okay. This is my cousin, Maria. They're so big. What am I supposed to do?
Carry everything now. You can do it.
But I have to put it in case we're gonna have a hard time in the bus.
Okay.
Only one can fit.
The box might get
Crushed. Yeah. I even bought soap only. I don't even know why I bought it, but I bought it.
Where did you buy soap?
They have soap in Osulloc.
They don't have soap at home.
They don't have soap at the hotel? No.
I can't fit it anymore.
That's good enough.
I mean, it's better.
Yeah. It's all you can do. Okay, we got our luggage. We have only. We're gonna leave and go to Jungmun now. I can't believe it's real. I can't believe this is real.
Yeah, I know. It's only been 6 months.
I was like, when are we crying at the airport? When are we
I have to wait at least like 2 years to come back to USA, like blah blah blah.
And then in the end, surprise.
Yeah. You're a doctor.
Yeah, apparently. Doesn't look like it, right? 신청해 주셨을 때 사전 예약과 이용 가능하시니까 참고 부탁드릴게요.
그럼 당일에는 제주는
So cute.
나는 510. Yeah. I'm gonna do our room tour first here instead of Grim Resort where it was last because it's still clean. So here we have our view. Lovely view of the parking lot. Some kind of mountain over there, which I don't know about, but here for reading your books, I don't know. One twin size bed, then one queen bed. New TV. Oh, it's nice. They have the ceiling air conditioning. The refrigerator is actually down here. So here we go. Not sponsored. I don't know why I keep saying that as if I would even be considered, but here. And only keeps
And you can see here.
Okay. She doesn't come with this room, so just to clear that up. Here. Oh wow! It's a big shower. Did you look at the shower head? I didn't even realize. Here. It's so big.
And very complicated.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm glad we booked this. Yeah, it's really nice. I mean, I can see that this. Okay. Yeah, there's decent.
Okay, and a room tour. We're gonna go find somewhere to eat now. So we found our place now. We're gonna go to a galchi place, which is like a silver tail fish. I think that's what it's called, but it's silver and it has a tail. So that must be right. Yeah, and it's a fish. That's what's important. I'll see you later. But I really actually wanted to try this. They have a set menu with a lot of stews and the really big fish. So exciting! Let's go eat. Sounds good. This one. Oh, wrong. This is the one we're getting. 통갈치 한 상, 3인 한 상으로 주세요.
네, 감사합니다. 근데 시간이 좀 걸리니까 시간이 천천히 하시겠어요. 맛있게 드세요.
네, 감사합니다. In Korean, this is apchima. Remember that?
Oh, no.
This one?
No. Under the table?
Yeah, perhaps. Thank you. 감사합니다.
Cool. What the heck?
See? Trying, just trying.
I can like sip, just sip right.
Is it okay?
오?
Yeah, she's good. 맛있어? 짱. Wow. I love broccoli.
To be fair, I can't really taste the hanlamong that much, but it's creamy, it's smooth.
Are you happy?
I'm happy. I'm like I'm stressed because I'm so happy.
This is really good.
이렇게 드시면 됩니다. 맛있게 드세요.
감사합니다.
It's not overly sweet. It's good. Oh, wow. Got cheese too?
They don't have any bone, so you can
So good.
You did a really good job with that.
Wow.
It melts in your mouth.
Wow.
It's really good.
이거다.
It's really, I mean,
Oh. Guys, you need to try this before you die. Like seriously, it's really good. 10 out of 10. Did you try it?
Radish. Yeah, I already tried it.
Isn't it really good?
Yalva.
When we went first concert in the Philippines.
Yeah, back when they weren't famous yet.
This is the aftermath of eating too much good food. How are you guys?
I'm barely breathing because like my yeah, I can't breathe anymore.
The sasanim is slowly but surely, quietly telling us to leave because he's closing the lights, and it's almost closing time. Just 20 minutes until they close, so we're gonna hurry up. See, the pansak is gone now. We're just gonna go back to the hotel now because everything is closing, and also so that we can start early tomorrow. 잘 가. 안녕. 어머. 바이바이.